Holla at your boy.
What up, dog?
That's good. You good?
They dropped them charges, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, real
All right.
quick.
What's up? Yeah, get in there.
Glad to get this little small problem off my chest, you know? I jump bail, so I'm on the run, hunt by bounty, and my brow burn rubber like Shirley Modali. Hit the switch, here we go, yo, that's the nitro. I meet my clique in the spot so I can cop the hydro. Now if they catch me, they gon' let me make one phone call. Hit my lawyer on the celly, he accept my call. Set me free, Johnny Cock, man, this shit don't stop. Up on bogus ass charges, yeah, popping the cops. It wasn't me like Eddie Murphy rolling foo. Well, who else dropping shells by the fucking buku? They wanna blame my black brother cause I'm straight out the hood. And when I step into a part, I got a presence like Suge. It's all good, but I ain't that bullet from your old high school. I only tends to chump niggas that be acting a fool. And for the most part, big country keeping this cool. And if you don't talk shit, you ain't breaking no rules. They blame me cause they heard that I'm stacking my funds. They blame me cause they heard that I'm packing a gun. They blame me, and for what, man, I ain't done shit but roll splits and right to hot beats with my clique. They blame me cause they heard that I'm packing a gun. They blame me cause they heard that I'm stacking my funds. They blame me, and for what, man, I ain't done shit but roll splits and right to hot beats with my clique. Now if you understood from the first verse, I ain't trying to make a nigga roll out in a motherfucking hearse. But if he disrespect, I'ma try to break his neck. Cause if we can't connect, I knuckle up or pull a tech. And I ain't be claiming a set. He better hope his boy's there, and I can give a fuck less about the color they be wearing. Cause my set is my fam, blood brothers to the finish. And I can give a goddamn if his ass is diminished. Now I'm naturally strong, but they think I'm eating spinach. If the judge is wrong on self-defense, I never win it. So who can I trust? When a nigga bite the dirt trying to protect his fam, with a job trying to work, you know the black man's curse. In the court with tattoos and braids and misdemeanors from back in the days. And though I changed my ways, they blame me, cause if they don't look, then hell they can't see. They blame me cause they heard that I'm stacking my funds. They blame me cause they heard that I'm packing a gun. They blame me, and for what, man, I ain't done shit but roll splits and right to hot beats with my clique. They blame me cause they heard that I'm packing a gun. They blame me cause they heard that I'm stacking my funds. They blame me, and for what, man, I ain't done shit but roll splits and right to hot beats with my clique. What you expect from a bad boy trying to make good? Think I neglect and try to act like I ain't come out the hood? That's where I'm from, that's where I'm at when I be copping a sack. That's where these words come from when I be lacing a track. Who got your back if I tell the hood break out the milsies? You can't report shit about country holding a pistol. Leave me alone, man. Go on, man. Trying to tap my bone, man. You see I'm in a zone, man. Just round here writing songs, man. Better watch your tone, man. Trying to make me live my life in the cage. Wipe your back.